Welcome to bplanmaker.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at what a real business plan for starting a 3D printing business should look like. We're just going to do a fast skim through, but our plans follow the SBA format for submitting a business plan. They're easy to edit, they're complete, and they're exactly what lenders want to see. First, you have the executive summary, then you go into your products and services. You list all that, your market analysis with your target market, competition, facility and operations, your sales strategy. Then you're going to go into your management summary. And then you're going to finally have your 3 year financial projection with your cash flow, balance sheet, key business ratios, everything lenders are looking for in the format that they're looking for. I'll put the link in the description below. You can download it instantly now, and then you can edit it and have a complete professional business plan ready in no time. It'll just take minutes instead of months to do. Go to bplanmaker.com.